Top hobbies for senior couples in the U.S. Fun and meaningful activities to enjoy together. As seniors in the U.S. embrace active and fulfilling lifestyles, many couples are exploring new hobbies to enjoy together in their retirement years. Engaging in shared activities not only strengthens relationships, but also promotes physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Whether you're looking for relaxing indoor hobbies or exciting outdoor adventures, here are some of the best hobbies for senior couples to try together. 1. Indoor hobbies for senior couples. For those who prefer staying indoors, these hobbies offer relaxation, creativity, and intellectual stimulation. Cooking and baking together. Try new recipes, bake homemade bread, or explore international cuisines. Join a cooking class or watch YouTube tutorials for inspiration. Board games and puzzles. Enjoy classic board games like Scrabble, chess, or Monopoly. Work on jigsaw puzzles, or try challenging Sudoku and crossword puzzles together. Learning a new language. Take online language courses or practice through language exchange programs. Great for couples who love to travel or want to keep their minds sharp. Home gardening. Grow herbs, flowers, or even vegetables in your backyard or balcony. Gardening is a great way to relax while staying active. Book club for two. Pick a book to read together and discuss your thoughts over coffee. Join a local or virtual book club to meet other like-minded couples. Music and instrument playing. Learn to play the piano, guitar, or another instrument. Sing together, form a duet, or even join a senior choir. Tip: trying a creative hobby together enhances cognitive function and deepens emotional bonds. 2. Outdoor hobbies for senior couples. For couples who love nature and physical activities, outdoor hobbies offer fresh air, movement, and adventure. Walking and hiking. Explore local parks, nature trails, or scenic walking paths. Walking together boosts cardiovascular health and provides time for deep conversations. Golf and tennis. Great for couples who enjoy friendly competition and physical activity. Many communities offer senior-friendly golf and tennis clubs. Fishing and boating. A relaxing and peaceful hobby to enjoy lakeside or on a boat. Perfect for couples who love nature and quiet moments together. Cycling and e-biking. Ride around town, explore bike trails, or try electric bikes for easier rides. A low-impact activity that keeps you fit and energized. Birdwatching and photography. Visit nature reserves or set up a bird feeder in your backyard. Capture stunning nature photos as a couples project. Tip: outdoor activities. Promote longevity and help couples stay physically active together. 3. Travel and adventure hobbies for senior couples. Many senior couples love exploring new places together. Here are some fun ways to combine travel and hobbies. RV travel and road trips. Take long scenic road trips across the U.S. in an RV. Visit national parks, historical sites, and charming small towns. Cruises and beach getaways. Seniors enjoy relaxing cruises with entertainment, fine dining, and sightseeing. Coastal vacations offer swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. Volunteering while traveling. Join mission trips, environmental conservation programs, or teaching projects abroad. A great way to give back to communities while traveling. Wine tasting and culinary tours. Visit vineyards, attend food festivals, and explore local delicacies. Perfect for couples who enjoy fine dining and gourmet experiences. Tip: traveling together helps create lasting memories and deepens emotional connection. 4. Creative and artistic hobbies for senior couples. Expressing creativity is a great way to spend quality time together. Painting and drawing. Take a local art class or paint at home for fun. Try watercolor, acrylic, or sketching landscapes and portraits. Photography and scrapbooking. Capture beautiful moments together and create photo albums and memory books. A great way to preserve life's special moments. Dancing and ballroom classes. Join salsa, tango, or ballroom dance classes for couples. Great for physical activity and romantic connection. DIY and home improvement projects. Redesign your home, build furniture, or take on small renovation projects. Working together fosters teamwork and creativity. Tip: artistic hobbies boost happiness and encourage lifelong learning. 5. Wellness and mindfulness hobbies. For couples focused on health and well-being, these hobbies help improve mental and physical wellness. Yoga and meditation. Practice gentle yoga or mindfulness meditation together. Great for reducing stress and improving flexibility. Tai Chi and stretching. A low-impact exercise that enhances balance, coordination, and relaxation. Ideal for seniors looking for calm and mindful movement. Aromatherapy and relaxation techniques. Experiment with essential oils, massages, and relaxation techniques. A great way to deepen emotional connection and promote self-care. Tip mindfulness activities. Enhance emotional well-being and strengthen relationships. Final thoughts enjoying life together. Spending quality time with your partner through hobbies is one of the best ways to stay active, engaged, and happy as you age. Whether you enjoy learning, traveling, creating, or simply relaxing together, there are countless ways to make retirement fun and fulfilling. Which hobby do you and your partner enjoy the most? Are you planning to try a new activity together? Like and share this video to inspire more senior couples to explore fun hobbies. Subscribe for more lifestyle and wellness tips for seniors. It's never too late to start a new adventure together.